In the next 60 seconds, I'll give you the 5 steps to attract more clients through YouTube. Views don't pay the bills, clients do. Forget going viral, focus on being valuable. Don't make videos for everyone, make them for the right people. Be hyper specific, define your niche, know your audience, and talk directly to your ideal clients, pain points, and desires. Build deep trust with long form content. Everyone's obsessed with shorts, but the problem? Trust takes time. Around 7 hours to be exact. That's why our clients focus on long form content to acquire more clients. Formats like masterclasses, deep dives, community Q&As perform exceptionally well. Master the click. If no one clicks, no one watches your valuable content. That's why title and thumbnail matter more than production. Spend a lot of time on your title and thumbnail optimization. Keep thumbnails clean with 3 to 4 elements and titles under 55 characters, or the title will be cut off. Let's talk money. Optimize for conversion, not just views. Follow the rule of one. One clear goal per video, one clear CTA. Make it easy for viewers to take the next step, whether that's a landing page or a lead magnet or the next video to build more trust. If you're not tracking, you're slacking. Measure real ROI, not vanity metrics. Use trackable links on every video to see which CTAs and videos actually convert, because 200 views and 20 clicks beat 800 views and 5 clicks. Tracking shows you exactly which content attracts real qualified leads. Want to see this in action? Watch this deep dive next. That channel made 200K from YouTube alone.